Welcome to Mystic Chords, a J. Mac Mingo production. Some songs don't just play, they lift. Free Bird doesn't ask for freedom, it becomes it. A guitar solo shaped like the sky itself, stretching past the fences we build around our own hearts. It begins soft, a confession, a goodbye whispered through southern dust. But even then you can feel it, that restless spirit, already halfway gone, chasing a horizon that can't be owned. When Ronnie sings, "I can't change," it's not defiance, it's honesty. Freedom isn't perfection, it's choosing the road that fits your soul, even when it doesn't fit anyone else's plan. And then the solo arrives. Not just sound, but flight. Every note feels like a feather catching wind. Every bend a turn in the sky towards something larger than language. It's not escaping, it's becoming. Because Free Bird isn't about leaving people behind, it's about leaving limits behind. About realizing that love can be real and distance can still be necessary. By the time the last note fades, you're not standing on the ground anymore, you're gliding, carried by the echo of a truth so simple it can only be sung. You were never meant to stay in one place forever. You were meant to fly free, free as a bird.